Hey guys, just got the Camping World here in Grand Rapids, where you're going to go in and get a full demo there on our new RV and do the paperwork and all that. It was -19 at one point driving, so with the wind chill it's about -30. It's cold to be thinking of camping, but not too much traffic, but it's cold, so we're gonna go in. We're a bit early, and yeah, so anyway, can't wait to see the new rig. Like we're getting our own video. We'll probably put this recliner more over here. We found like a little table we can put here. Storage in the ottoman. There's a hide-a-bed in there. That'll probably be my seat. The fridge. Freezer. Slide out drawers. So one thing we've noticed, for safety, they have to strap these in when you're traveling, and this one has broke a little piece of plastic in there. I'm not too worried about that. But, once we're set up, we'll take those off, and then when we go to move it, then we'll put it back on. This will be looking out towards the backwoods, so that's gonna be nice. Got a big patio door there. Lots of windows. These are all power shades. Same with this side, so we just hit a button, they come down. And we got our fireplace, TV, and they weren't sure if this one had the bracket to go outside or not. Haven't really looked at it. You've seen Piper's room. We'll come down the stairs here. Got the rain shower. Little seat. And oh, did I do the bedroom? I think I already did the bedroom. Do it again. Storage for there. They gave us a brand new mattress. A spot for our TV. Another fireplace. Betsy looking around. Storage here. This does have washer dryer prep. We are not going to ever probably get one, so this could be additional closet space. I mean, it works, right? So, all right, get the 360 out and walk on the outside, and we gotta go do our paperwork. Get this thing delivered.